Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to learn how to choose ringtone on Android to help you personalize your device. This quick guide will show you exactly where to find your audio settings so you can pick the perfect sound for your calls. So now, let's get started. For step 1, you need to go to Settings by tapping the gear icon found on your home screen or inside your app drawer. This menu serves as the main control center for your entire device and is the starting point for any system-wide changes you want to make. In step 2, you will look through the list and tap on Sound and Vibration to access all your phone's audio and haptic preferences. This section is vital because it allows you to manage volumes and choose specific sounds for different types of alerts like calls and messages. Next, for step 3, scroll down to the incoming call section and then select ringtone to view the list of available melodies on your phone. This step is important because it lets you preview different tones so you can choose a sound that is both pleasant and easy to hear. Finally, for step 4, once you have picked your favorite tone, you simply need to then go back to the previous menu to save your selection. Exiting the screen ensures that your new audio profile is applied, meaning your phone will now play your chosen sound whenever someone calls you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.